We are excited to announce the release of XRebel 2020 2.0. With this release, you will be able to better use XRebel within your Java environment. Now you are officially able to easily use XRebel in both of the major Java IDEs, Eclipse and IntelliJ. Simply search XRebel in the marketplace and you can install it today. When it comes to integrations, XRebel also added support for Hibernate 5.0 as well as Java 13 and 14. You are now able to add notes for any shared details, allowing you to pass information to your colleagues while also allowing you to share comparisons between these requests seamlessly. As XRebel proves very beneficial for microservices, we want to ensure that you have effectively configured XRebel into those microservices so that you can be able to see the end-to-end transactions between your services. We will now inform you if the remote configuration is done properly and suggest simple fixes to ensure that it is working properly. Take some time to take a look at what XRebel can do for you and your team with a trial today.